Hi friends, today we will be learning how to make cute little brown bag puppies. Alright, here we go. You are going to need a full brown paper bag. You can get these at Walmart. You're also going to need either construction paper or foam paper. I'm going to be using sticky foam paper. You can use Elmer's glue if you have construction paper. And you'll need some markers. Alright, here we go.
We're going to start by drawing the outline of the eyes, nose, and mouth. Make sure that you put the tongue under the flap where the bottom of the bag is. Then we're going to go ahead and cut out the eyes, nose, and mouth. First, we'll start with the eyes. I like to fold the paper and cut one eye out so that we come out with two even eyes. Once those are secure and on, take that little piece of paper that's left, and we're going to go ahead and cut out the nose. The nose is a soft triangle shape. Once that nose is secure on the paper bag, we're going to go ahead and color it black or dark brown.
Next, we're going to color the pupils of the eyes. You're going to make a smaller oval within that white oval, and you're going to slowly color in. Make sure to leave some white. For the pupils, I draw the number 8 or an infinity sign to leave the perfect amount of white within the black. Here you'll see it again, figure 8, and then I'm coloring everything else. You're going to want to make sure to use that figure 8 if you want that nice, even white within your black pupils. Once you're done with the nose, go ahead and grab pink or red paper. Again, if you don't have that color, you can always color it in with marker. But we're going to go ahead and cut out the tongue. Now the tongue is like a big anthill or like a very long sideways letter D. And you're going to want to make sure to glue or stick that on right under the flap of the mouth. Very good. And there you have the face of your doggy. Next, we have to cut the ears. I don't have any brown colors, but I do have white. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out 2 white ears. You want to make sure that the size of the ears are relatively big to the size of the face. You also want to cut it in the same shape as the tongue. Make sure that you glue the ears or stick them right behind the head. Any other place won't look good. Once you're done gluing the ears like they're popping out of the puppy's head, you're going to want to color the ears if they're not already brown. I use just a shade darker than the paper bag. Once you're done completely coloring your puppy's ears, your puppy is ready to go. A cute little puppy puppet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had such a blast making this puppy with you guys. Have a great day!